Hi, I'm Danielle, and my boyfriend Justin and I just bought an 1890 Victorian home in Buffalo, New York. After a year and a half of searching and 10 offers, we closed on our 1,800 square foot beauty in disguise on September 15th of this year. On September 16th, the exterminator came. On the Sunday, the 17th, we ripped out all of the carpets and exposed the beautiful hardwood floors, and we haven't stopped working since. We partially gutted the bathroom and put in hex tile floor and a pedestal sink. We completely remodeled the kitchen. We lifted 2 layers of linoleum flooring with a heat gun and refinished the maple floor underneath. We stripped paint from old wainscoting, ripped out the greasy cabinets that were filled with dead cockroaches and dead rats. We painted the entire house top to bottom and so much more. We have learned so much about so much, but now we must tackle the pantry. So that brings you in. At one point there was a beautiful butler pantry. We need to bring it back to that status. The floor currently is nasty with 2 layers of linoleum again, but no maple floor underneath this time. The walls need major repair. We are assuming that they need to be skim coated, but we don't know how to do that. Insert you, hopefully. The ceiling has a massive hole in it covered with a light switch. The shelving needs to be rebuilt in a historic fashion where form meets function and organization. I'd like to learn how to use the machines to cut more intricate style shelving. We would like to put in some subway tile next to or behind the shelving. So we would like to learn how to grout and install all of that. Why do we want to improve our home? It is important to us to preserve our home's character and to bring it back to its former glory. And a dwelling is where memories are made, where you come home after an exhausting day at work and feel relaxed. And the more organized and more cozy it is, the easier and better quality of life you're going to have. So we hope that you choose us to help us renovate our pantry. Thank you so much.